Hi guys, welcome back to this face. I am HD Signatures. In case you're just coming across this face for the first time, today's makeup tutorial, I am going to be showing you some basic steps you need to keep in mind when applying your makeup for this season. Surprisingly guys, HARMATTAN season is here, and this is the period where everywhere is dry and dusty, so you have to apply your makeup to suit this season. So guys, without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first step is make sure your face is well cleansed. I'm going to use micellar water. In this season, what you should be more after is having a well moisturized skin as opposed to having a mattified skin. So guys, for moisturizing, you can go ahead and use your typical moisturizer, or you make use of your combined skincare, or you make use of your tinted moisturizer. So your tinted moisturizer is your foundation and your skincare infused. Or you can basically go ahead and get one of these. This is vitamin E capsule. You can make sure you've been using this before and it doesn't have any adverse reaction on your skin. So guys, the next step is to apply your foundation. So I'm going with the Stepbystep Skin Lift Foundation. I am using this liquid DIY blush. So guys, in this period, like I said earlier, we are making use of product that is moisturizing. See how this gives that nice. For setting my under eyes, I am going with this translucent setting powder, and this setting powder, I think it's safe to say it's a moisturizing setting powder from Ruba Beauty, because it doesn't give that dry effect most setting powder comes with. This blends well into the skin. When I said this setting powder is moisturizing, this is what I meant. It blends into the skin seamlessly, and you can see it's not giving that, excess powder stuff on the skin. So guys, to add warmth and depth at the outer part of my face, I'm going to be going in with this tinted moisturizing bronzer. Adding powder blush to my skin, but I'm mixing it with my lighter powder because I don't want it too concentrated. So I'm going to start from here, more like under my eyes, directly under my eyes. Can you see guys? So guys, the fixing spray I am going to be using in today's video is this fixing spray from Gold Star.